Delhi recorded its coldest day of the season today, with minimum temperatures dipping to 4.9 degrees this morning. Dense fog blanket has engulfed North India, delaying 10 trains departing from Delhi. 2 trains have already been cancelled. The visibility has dropped to zero at the Delhi airport, severely affecting flight operations. Churu in Rajasthan experienced the coldest night this winter season so far, with the mercury nearing the freezing point of 0.5 degrees Celsius. The 40-day period of harshest winter in the Kashmir Valley, known as the Chilai Kalan, has also begun. Rain and snowfall is forecast for Srinagar. The extreme cold conditions, along with high levels of pollution, has Delhi hospitals flooded. People are facing low body temperature and also breathing problems. The particle matter floating at a height of approximately 3 feet because of the moisture in the air, and children and senior citizens stand to be the worst affected.
It's a chilly Monday morning, and behind me is Parliament House, which is hardly visible due to poor visibility. Road, air and rail traffic have been badly hit due to these weather conditions. Temperature is almost 4.9 degrees and the maximum temperature is predicted to go up to 16 degrees maximum. The entire North India has been hit by this cold wave, and Churu in Rajasthan has recorded temperature of 0.9 degrees. So clearly it is difficult time for the entire NCR region as well. School children are finding it very difficult to go to school. Visibility is so poor that people have to switch on their hazard light to negotiate traffic due to poor visibility. And also, the weather conditions are likely to continue like this, so it is recommended, strongly recommended, that people be well dressed, adequately dressed with warm clothes, because the evening is also expected to be chilly. With cameraman Pratap Akhtar Khan in Delhi for Headlines Today.
Monday morning has started with dense fog for Delhiites. The visibility in Delhi is about 100 meters, and the situation is even worse in Noida, where the visibility is just about 50 meters. The headlights of the car are on the roads, and the car drivers are having the indicators also on. They are driving at a slow pace so that they reach their destinations safely. The temperature right now is about 6 degrees Celsius, and it will go up to about 18 degrees Celsius. But throughout the day, the weather will remain same, and Met Department predicts that as the evening progresses, the fog cover will become more dense, so please drive safely with the indicators and the headlights of the car on, so that you reach your destinations on time and safely. With camera person Ravi Kant, Shweta Sharma for Headlines Today in Delhi.
दिक्कत आ रही है, थोड़ी सी दूर के बाद तो दिखाई दे नहीं रहा। बारिश होता है, ऐसा मौसम रहा तो कल से तो मुश्किल लग रहा है। ऐसा ही रहा धुंध तो कल से तो मुश्किल आ पाएंगे।
हाँ सर, इंडिया गेट अभी नज़र नहीं आ रहा है। हम लोग यहीं पे काम करते हैं, यहीं पे फोटोग्राफी करते हैं। तो इस टाइम कोहरे की वजह से कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।